this, where Western Mass News is and remains your vaccine authority. So viewer calls and emails have been flooding our newsroom with questions about the COVID-19 vaccine.
And we're getting answers from a local doctor about what's in the vaccine and why 2 doses are required. Millions of Americans have already rolled up their sleeves to get the COVID vaccine. As millions more wait, questions are circling about the vaccine. One coming from a Western Mass News viewer named Sharon. She asked, if the first shot of the Pfizer vaccine is shown to have 92% efficacy, what happens if the second dose is not taken? Are we not considered to be vaccinated? Chief Medical Officer at Mercy Medical Center, Dr. Robert Roos, says there is a reason both Moderna and Pfizer require 2 doses, and everyone should get both doses.
When you expose the body again, it creates a robust response that can create even more of an immune response and create some memory of those immune cells.
He tells Western Mass News studies have shown after 1 dose the protection is good, but after the second dose the efficacy rate went up even more.
The second dose is important both for the significance of the response, but also likely the longevity of the response as well.
But how does the vaccine work and what exactly is in it? Dr. Roos says each vaccine contains a messenger RNA that codes and sends instructions to your body to create a spike protein, which is reflective on the outside of the coronavirus.
It's almost like an email that tells your body what to do, and it tells your body to create the protein and then create a very specific antibody and immune response to that protein to protect you if you ever get exposed in the future.
And we received questions about the vaccine ingredients like this one.
I'm egg sensitive, and I was wondering if there is an egg component in any of these vaccines that are on the market now.
There is no eggs, there is no gelatin, there are no other artificial preservatives or, there is no latex used, and there is no live components of any virus in these vaccines.
The remaining ingredients create a bubble around the mRNA to help ensure it gets in your body to where it needs to go. And Dr. Roos says getting vaccinated almost completely eliminates the risk of hospitalization or death.
They're incredibly safe and they are incredibly effective, and it's a relatively new technique, but it's one that's been in development for decades, and I think likely will be a source of many more vaccines to come in the future.
For Western Mass News, I'm Jordan McCool.